Hey, what's up, Agent CRM community? It's Alex here. I have a super fun announcement. Some of y'all have been begging for this, and everything has come together for us to work with Kixie, one of the most well-known and popular dialing systems out there right now. I want to introduce Dart. Dart, man, thank you so much for being a part of this and doing what you can for the Agent CRM community. I'm so excited. For those of people who don't know, can you explain Kixie?
Totally. Yeah. Thanks for bringing me on, Alex. Super hyped to be here. Super hyped to be working with you. So essentially, in simple terms, Kixie is just going to be basically an iPhone or Android for your computer, a calling platform with some really cool features to help boost connectivity and lower your spam rate, especially in today's day and age. Just getting people to pick up the phone is the name of the game. And so we have some really cool functionality such as area code matching, multi-line dialer, and more, just in order to entice people to pick up the phone so you guys can do what you do best, and that's sell.
I love it. And Kixie integrates so well with Agent CRM. When you get Kixie installed in your account, you just click the button there. The calls show up inside of the account. The notes show up inside of the account. It feels like Kixie is just like a warm blanket on top of Agent CRM. So you guys have done a phenomenal job on that. So Dart, let's show them what Kixie can do and how it integrates with Agent CRM. Let's do a quick demo.
I would love to do that. Okay, here we go, guys. All right. This is going to be the software right here on the right. In simple terms, it's just going to be an Android or iPhone for your computer. In order to download it, you're just going to go to the Chrome Web Store and install it to Chrome right here. Once it's installed, you can pin it to the tab bar and just click OK here to make it easy accessible. To integrate with your Agent CRM account, you just need to go to the drop-down menu, click on Settings, scroll down to the tab that says CRM, press the plus button, type in Lead Connector, and then log in with your Agent CRM credentials. You know the integration will be complete when you see that green active button. Now, everything that you do within this dialer will appear under the contact here. So, for example, you'll see that we have a click to call button and click to text button. This is going to be the one way you can utilize calling with Kixie. I'll press this button right here, and as you'll see, I'm dialing my number right away. Once the phone is picked up, you'll see a variety of different tabs. They're all pretty self-explanatory. The call info is going to be the lead information. The edit button is going to allow you to edit the lead. Schedule is going to allow you to schedule your next task or activity. And the outcome is going to allow you to disposition the call and leave any notes. We also do have SMS capabilities, so I can send a text with a click of a button utilizing our templates. And leave voicemail drops as well, so I can leave that same clear, concise voicemail each time. Once the call is completed, I'll press that blue complete button, and that data will be tracked over to the CRM profile. As you can see here, I have my disposition and notes, as well as my text and call recording in chronological order. Now some of the functionality to help people pick up the phone at a faster rate and just overall help your experience. First, it's going to be ConnectionBoost. You're going to go back to that settings menu and make sure this is toggled on. This is going to do three things for you. First, it's going to match the area code that you're calling. So if I'm in LA and I'm calling New York, I will show up as that local New York number every time. Second, it's going to constantly rotate through those numbers. So I can call that same New York 5 times in a row, and I'll pop up under a different number under that same area code to help with the initial pickup rate. And third, it's going to decrease your spam. Since you're constantly rotating numbers, you're less likely to get flagged as spam. With these three things, we've noticed about a 2x to 3x increase in pickup rate. And if someone decides to call you back, since we track the endpoint and start point of each call, it will be rerouted to your Kixie dialer. A very powerful tool, especially when used in conjunction with our PowerDialer. What this allows you to do is dial up to 4 lines, at the same time. So it will call 4 people in conjunction, and it will connect you with the very first person that picks up the phone. It's impossible for 2 people to pick up at the same time because it goes down to the millisecond, kind of like an Olympic relay race. And for the other 3 people that don't pick up, it will show up as a missed call on their end. So for example, I'll click Start Dialing, and I have this list toggled to 3 at a time. So now I'm calling these 3 numbers in conjunction with each other, and it's going to connect me with the very first person that answers. We'll just give it a second here. So no one answered the phone that time. So now it's dialing the next set of 3 numbers. So as you can see, it'll keep on dialing down that list until someone picks up. Now, this is just going to be an expanded form of what I showed you earlier here, where I can leave any notes, send text messages, schedule my next task, and then disposition my call. We also, too, do have the redial target button if you wanted to utilize the double or triple dialing method. Other than that, these other tabs are self-explanatory. Another way to send SMS is to click on the SMS button. Your keypad if you wanted to manually type in a number. Your voicemail. Call history. As well as your directory if you have multiple people on your account and you wanted to see who was online or offline. When you go to your Kixie dashboard, you'll see all of your reporting metrics that you might need. And this is a great way to track your KPIs and make sure that you're hitting your goals. That's Kixie in a nutshell, and couldn't be more than glad to work with you all. Let me or Alex know if you need anything. I'm excited to get the ball rolling.
Wow, Dart, thank you so much for showing us that, man. I love how integrated Kixie is with Agent CRM. It is so clean, so easy to use. I love all the features. I mean, the multi-line dialer is so cool, so powerful, the local presence. I love how you guys did that. I know a lot of agents that use Kixie that just rave about that. So what are the next steps? Somebody has watched your demo. They go, man, I want to use Kixie for my business. What are the next steps?
Definitely. The next step is going to click that link below. It's going to allow me to book them on a demo, walk them through the functionality, and from there, get them signed up and ready to go. Like you said, and like you elucidated, Kixie is a very simple product to use. It's plug and play. So there's not really a big learning curve. After 15, 20 minutes, you're going to be able to integrate with Agent and you're going to get ready to ball rolling, and people are going to be answering that phone. So I'm super excited to be working with you, Alex. I'm super excited to be partnered with Agent CRM, and I'm super excited to get everyone having more connections. That's the name of the game.
I love it. I love it. Thank you, Dark. For those of you that are watching, go set up a time to talk to Kixie. We're going to treat you well. They have some great programs. As you saw from Dart's demo, it is so easy to use and it integrates so nicely into Agent CRM. So they're a great option for those of you who are pounding the phones all day long. So thanks, guys. If you have any questions, reach out to Kixie directly about the Kixie integration. They can answer all those questions for you. Dart, thanks again for your time.